Hi, Dr. Alice. What is the major health benefit of eating green leaves? Thanks.
Hello, Alex. The major health benefit of eating green leaves of all ages is their high nutrient density combined with low caloric content, which contributes to overall well-being and disease prevention throughout life. Here's a breakdown of why this is so significant. Number 1, rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Green leafy vegetables are packed with vitamins, such as A, C, K, folate and various B vitamins, and minerals, including calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are vital for numerous bodily functions, including immune support, bone health, energy production, nerve function, and red blood cell formation, all of which are crucial at every stage of life. Number 2, high in fiber. The fiber content in green leaves aids digestion, promotes healthy gut bacteria, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and can contribute to feelings of fullness, which is beneficial for weight management at any age. Number 3, abundant in antioxidants. Green leaves are loaded with antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and various phytochemicals. These compounds help combat cellular damage from free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, certain cancers, and age-related macular degeneration that can affect individuals across the lifespan. Number 4, low in calories and fat. Their low calorie and fat content makes it easy to consume a large volume of nutrients without contributing to weight gain, which is important for maintaining a healthy weight from childhood through old age. In essence, incorporating green leaves into the diet at all ages ensures a consistent intake of essential nutrients that support growth and development in youth, maintain optimal function in adulthood, and help protect against age-related health issues in later years.